This is the Lottery Song, 1972's album by Nilsson, son of Schmilsson. I play it capoed up here on the 3rd fret. I play it what I call in the key of D, so if I say I'm playing a D, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly an F. The song on the album is in the key of F, so if you capo it up here on the 3rd fret and play it like this, you can play it along with the song. The song is a fairly simple 1-4-5 in the key of D. It's a D, it's an A, and it's a G. The first chord is a D. All these notes are in the chord, so it's strings 1, 1, 1, 2. And then you go to an A chord, where your melody's on the 1st string, and then up here on the 1st string on the 5th fret. Now instead of just playing that single string, you can play these 2 strings on the 5th fret, or you can play the whole A chord. And also you can slide up to the A chord. So the first 2 chords look like this. Or slide. And then you move down to a G chord, where the melody's on the 2nd string. It's a D, 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 open 2nd string. And then the A chord, where the melody's on the 2nd string and the 1st string, both in the chord. So the first 4 chords. And then you do the G and the A again. And then move to this D. But you don't play the 1st string. Where the melody is 2nd string, 2nd string, 3rd string. And then you move to this G major 7th chord, where the melody's on your F sharp here. And then to an A chord, where the melody's on the open 1st string. So the whole song through is... And then you play, just repeat over and over and over again. And sometimes he just plays this D at the end, and sometimes it's D, G, D. And the beginning is just a variation on the same chord structure. It's a D, A,